Well, we find ourselves here again in the old fart in the kitchen. I'd hoped to make this before Thanksgiving because this is the most incredible cranberry sauce, or relish as you might want to call it. Not out of a can, you make it yourself, and it's really simple. It uses just 3 simple ingredients: cranberries, a whole Naval Orange, including the skin, and whatever sweetener you want to use. So all we do is we put this into here. First we wash these, making sure they're clean. Same thing with the orange. I wash it off with soap because we're going to eat everything there. You never know where they've been. Pour these guys in. Want to chop up the orange. Nice sharp knife. Nice sharp knife is best. So just click it in, put this on this way, and we just press the pulse. Get them chopped up a bit. Pour in the sweetener. And I keep doing this for a little while until it makes the right consistency. So we just do it for a little while, then with spatula, just push everything down so it gets chopped. It's looking nice. Okay, then at this point I like to take a spoon, check it. No, so good. Perfect. Perfect. Just the way I like it best. So now, it's made. You can eat it straight away. What we like to do is make it the day before we're first going to use it. Put some cling wrap over the top. Let it sit in the refrigerator for 12 to 24 hours because then all the flavors merge together. Good luck and good eating.